Masdan kita.
Oh my God! Baliw!
No.
Hey ma'am, huwag kang matakot, huwag kang matakot.
Sa isusulat mo ay naghiharap.
Ma'am, okay lang magkantahan ko kayo ma'am.
Umiyak. Bakit umiyak?
Parang takot-takot ka ma'am. Ganda nyo naman ma'am.
Masama pumatay, berma, aksidente ko ito.
Mga klase kayo dalawa ma'am. Taka dito lang kayo ma'am. Meron na kayo mga jowa ma'am.
Nasaan ba ang hustisya? Ba't ako lang nahihirapan?
Meron na. Para magalit si ma'am, nakantahan kita ma'am ba? Baka sumbagin ako ba? Ano man? Okay ra ba ma'am? Can I touch you? I can't believe that you are real. How did I never find you?
When you were here, the stars.
You were the dreams in my life. You were the reason I survived.
Oh, ano? Ano?
Baby, I never thought that I could love someone as much as I love you. I know it's crazy, but it's true. I never thought that I could need someone as much as I need you.
We must defend them at any cost, because if we will not defend them, we will not see the light of the world.
I love you. Can I hold you? Dare your smile lights up the sky. You are too beautiful to the human eyes. You were the dreams that never dies. You were the
Remember that. Put it in your mind.
that burn inside. Baby, I never thought that I could love someone as much as I love you. I know it's crazy, but it's true. Whoa, I never thought that I could need someone as much as I need you. I love you. Salamat ma'am. Nakinabahan nga ako ma'am na wala ako sa lyrics ma'am. Oh. Okay lang ma'am. Ilang yun ma'am. Alis na ako ma'am. Wow. Nakakain lang talaga kayo ma'am. Bye bye.
I'm so lost without you. I know you were right, believing for.
Yes, man! My name is Arke.
DJ Melwix. Basta bisay.
Ang hirap sa inyo kung ano-ano iniisip ninyo. Ang dumi ng utak ninyo.
Maseryoso,
Madiskarte ka. Grabe mo higog, makusog mo pangga. Di basta-basta ang mga talento.
Parang kahapon lang magkasama.
I'm the shit, use your throne as my toilet seat. I demand the king's rent. Address me, your majesty. The forum when you
Hayop ka talaga! Ang ganda mo!
Hi, ma'am. Huwag mo matakot, mama.
Nakalaya ka na naman pala.
Ano lang, ma'am ba? Okay lang, ma'am, na kantahan kita, ma'am. May dala akong gitara kasi, ma'am.
Siguro ngayon lang nakakita ganda lalaki.
Okay lang, ma'am. Walang magagalit, ma'am. Bakit ikaw lang mag-iisa, ma'am? Kaya pala. Kaya pala ikaw lang mag-iisa. Mga kasama mo, ma'am. Okay lang, ma'am. Makantahan kita, ma'am. Para masaya na naman ba? Kasi ikaw lang yung mag-isa, ma'am. Okay lang dito ako. Tumawi, ma'am. Wala magagalit. Baka magagalit yung boyfriend mo, ma'am. Sige, ma'am. Teka lang, ma'am.
We must defend them at any cost. Because if we will not defend them, we will not see the light of the world.
Mahangin ba dito, no? Tsaka maganda yung tanawin ba? Kaya mo ba? Magaganda.
namamantala ka.
Our little conversation.
I'm lying low with my head on the phone.
I'm turning into little sweet sensation. After only getting sweeter every time. Our friendly get together. I'm turning into vision of forever. If I just believe the foolish heart of mine.
Galing ha?
I can pretend that I'm just a friend, 'cause I'm thinking maybe we were meant to be. I think I've fallen in love with you. And I don't know what to do. And afraid you turn away, but I see it anyway. I think I've fallen for you. I'm falling for you. We never were together, wishing that goodbye would turn to never. 'Cause with you is
It's hard.
that always wanna be, but I'm just a friend, 'cause I'm thinking maybe we were meant to be. I think I've fallen in love with you, and I don't know what to do. Was afraid you turn away, but I see it anyway. I think I've fallen for you.
Sa isang sulat mo ay nabihan ako para bang ihanda.
I'm falling for you. Ma'am, salamat ma'am. Marunong ka magitar ma'am? Pero example ma'am, kahit kunti lang ma'am. Talaga? Parang kinabahan talaga ako ma'am sa magandahan mo ma'am.
Kapal ng mukha mo.
Bahanay na yung mali yung pagkanta ko ba? Thank you ma'am. Thank you. Alis ako ma'am. Bait mo naman ma'am. Ito talaga yung mga ma'am, style ngayon ma'am. Thank you.